Hello everyone, welcome to MMD Oral. Today I will show you how to apply GMDSS GOC endorsement. First go to DJ's website, enter your user ID and password. Go to DC endorsement GMDSS radio operator. Select application for GMDSS radio operator. If you find any error, then use the link request for personal detail correction in Seafarer profile. Scroll it down. Select office applied to. Select application type new. Enter place of examination. GOC booklet number. Issued date of GOC booklet issued by WPC Delhi. Valid date of GOC booklet. Select your grade. After that, fill up the medical certificate details. After that, continue. Now fill your address. Enter your communication detail like email address and mobile number. Then continue. Add your C service detail. After that, you can pay the fees 3000. Select continue. These are the list of the documents to be uploaded. Scan copy of signed online application. Passport size photograph with clear white background, face covering 70%. Scanned signature of seafarer. Record of 1 year sea service in original letter issued by the vessel owner agent with RPCL number and email address. Scan copy of Indian GOC certificate with renewal pages. Self-attest scan copy of medical certificate and self-attest scan copy of CDC. After that, select the declaration and you can generate your application number. Once the application generated, you can upload the documents and check your status. From here, you can take printout of your application. Here you can upload your document. If your photo and signature and any other document is not clear, MMD will put a remark, and same time you will get a system generated email. This is all about how to apply GMDSS GOC endorsement. Thanks for watching, guys.